Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove, replace or clean the cabin air filter on a Honda Accord 9 generation. This will cover the years from 2013 until recent 2016. Okay, you can see we got this one at the detail shop and we're going to clean the cabin filter for them. Most people don't even know they exist, so we want to see how bad this one is. What you need to do, guys, you need to open the glove box of the vehicle right here. And now there is a stop that prevents the glove box from going down right here. So what you need to do, guys, you need to pick the glove box just up a little bit and then you need to push with your thumb on this thing down. Okay, let me show you how it's gonna come off, just like that. You can see that's how it goes. So what you need to do, guys, now you need to grab on both sides and push in towards each other like that, because there is two stops right here that they need to jump. Okay, and the glove box will come loose now. And now let me show you where exactly the cabin air filter is located. It's right here behind that lid. So what you need to do now, you need to come on this side, push in, okay, like that, and then pull at the same time, and one on this side. Both of them, you do them like that and you can remove the lid. Okay, you can see this is the lid with the arrows that shows you to push towards each other. And now you need to remember the cabin filter goes on in a certain way with the arrow down, not to put it the wrong way. Okay, and now you need to just grab it gently and pull it out. You can see how bad this thing is. Okay, right there. And you can see how much stuff is inside of it. It's pretty bad. Okay, now let me show you what we're getting out of it. Okay, just by cleaning it like that by hand, you can see all the dust and dirt coming out of it. You can see how bad it is. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use the vacuum and just vacuum it and tell them that they need to replace it with a new one soon, because it's pretty bad. So we can go ahead. You can see it looks better already, and if you get a fabric air freshener Febreze, you can spray it and it will make the car smell really good, because the air will go through here. And now you need to just go ahead and install it the same way we took it apart. You just need to remember to install it with the arrow down, okay, not to put it the wrong way. Okay, just like that, push it in all the way. And next thing that we need to do, we need to install that lid right here. And all you do, you need to make sure you go where it's supposed to be and just push it in until it clicks. Okay, like that. Now it's pretty tight. And now next thing that you need to do, you need to go ahead and squeeze the glove box towards each other again here, and you need to install that stop by pushing up this time, and that's the whole procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.